So next is measuring of earthquake. How we can measure the earthquake? The seismic waves are recorded by an instrument called as seismograph. Find the seismic waves which are producing during the quake. The waves is recorded by an instrument that is called as seismograph. Seismograph is simple vibrating rod or a pendulum which start vibrating when the tremors are what? Shaking. Tremors occur. So when these tremors occurring, then seismograph is simple vibrating rod when it is moving like a pendulum. Rod है और pendulum की तरह structure है which is start vibrating when tremors occur. So this is the seismograph. You can see this is the structure of the seismograph image in which we are going to measure the seismic wave का क्या frequency measure करके पता चलाया जाएगा कि किस level का quake जो है वो produce हुआ है. And you can see the center that is fault or above that this is epicenter. So measuring of earthquake is done with the help of seismic wave को measure करना with an instrument seismograph. Next, a pen is attached to vibrating system which recorded the seismic wave on a paper. तो when seismograph is placed where tremors are happened, तो वहाँ पे जब वो seismograph is doing what? उसी के साथ एक pen and paper were attached, and during that movement that is going to be mark the boundaries or lines as per the waves on that particular paper. So by studying these waves, waves which are drawn by the pen and paper by the seismograph, scientists can construct a complete map of earthquake. उसी के बेस पे scientists can construct a complete map of earthquake. Fine. Another important thing, best known scale of measuring the magnitude of earthquake is Richter scale, which is developed by Charles Richter in 1935. So basically जो हमारे पास ये scale seismograph is also used for measuring the magnitude of that seismic waves, but the best known scale is Richter scale, which is developed by the Charles Richter in 1935. Find the magnitude and corresponding effect of earthquake. So as per measuring these effects by the seismograph, by the different scales, we will be understanding that magnitude of Richter scale and effect क्या करने वाले. If less than 3.4, if on Richter scale पे magnitude आ रहा है less than 3.4, just detectable on the seismograph. So this is just detectable on seismograph, not that much higher effect it is going to cause. Then up to 4.2 may be noticed indoor. कमरे में अगर हम बैठे तो we can notice कि यहाँ shaking is there, something is happening like earthquake. Then if up to 4.8 definitely noticeable, photo frames and window may rattle. क्या होएगा? फोटो फ्रेम क्या करेंगी? शेकिंग दिखाएंगी हमें और विंडो भी क्या करेंगी? हिलता हुआ फील करवाएंगी. Then up to 6.1 may cause serious amount of damage. So if magnitude is up to 6.1, it may cause serious amount of damage, and if up to 7.3 may cause serious damage to life and property. Very serious kind of damage is going to be occur if the magnitude of this particular on the Richter scale is 7.3, and then up to 9. That is devastating with effects such as tsunami. That is very high stream of the quake. So this is all about the earthquake measuring and occurring and how we are going to record it on the earthquake and which effect it is going to do as per the given magnitude on the Richter scale.